how to add the lead form button on your Instagram profile or account. The guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then after when your Instagram is open, and you go down and open your profile. Then you go to edit profile and then go to action button and then go to add lead form and click. And then, for example, if you want to add standard lead form or custom lead form, for example, I want a custom lead form, and when I finish I will just click next, and then I will click the phone number, click save, and then it's done with me. That's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.